Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a body scrub and a lip scrub. So let's get started. The things you're gonna need are a container for your body scrub, a container for your lip scrub. I like using sticks. You can also use a spoon. Sugar, honey, body wash, and coconut oil. So what you're going to do is that you're going to grab your sugar and add some to the container. That's going to be your body scrub. Then you're also going to get your lip scrub one and you're going to add some sugar in there as well. Like so. Now what I like doing is that for the lip scrub, I'm going to get my honey, and for the lip scrub I am going to add some honey. That's good. And I'm going to mix that. Until it's well incorporated. So just keep mixing it until it is very incorporated. I'm trying to get in there, getting all of the sugar. That's about it. Be that consistency. You can leave the lip scrub just like that already. It's already mixed, but I also like adding a little bit of coconut oil. And then you just mix that together. And again, try and incorporate everything. And I am using an old container that I cleaned very well. And I also wiped it down with alcohol just to disinfect it, because this will be going on my lips. And I add a little bit more coconut oil. And there you have it. That's your lip scrub. So I'm going to show you guys the consistency of this now. You can see it like that. I'm going to go ahead and get a little. It's very hydrating. That's it. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to get the honey. I'm going to add some honey. Now I'm going to get body wash of your preference. Now I'm going to go ahead and use some coconut oil as well. This one I think I'm going to pour it in. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to mix all of that together. I'm trying to incorporate all of the sugar that's in here because I want a good consistency. It smells so good. Making sure that I grab everything from all the sides. So again, that's it guys. I really hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comment section. And I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye guys.